that's all.
Wake up every morning, so much stuff to learn. Histories of descendants, Latin verbs and habitats, principles of making facts. The time flies by. It's another day. It's just another day at Enrico Fermi High.
Excellent, girls.
Thank you, Miss Richt.
Whip 'em up good, girls, and remember, a nuclear attack is no excuse.
For a runny egg. It's another day. It's just another day.
I'm telling you, I saw them kissing behind the...
Joey, it's on Ithaca.
Gentlemen,
Good morning, Miss Rick.
let me see your product, boys. Excellent. Superb. And remember, a nuclear attack is no excuse for a slaughter of hoorah. Well, what have we here?
Johnny Warner, I was checking last week.
Let me see your project, Mr. Warner. Bookends? That's pathetic. That wasn't the assignment. The assignment was to make a hoorah.
Correct.
I'm sorry,
Now I know you're new at this school, Mr. Warner, but you'll have to make a concerted effort to fit in. Boys,
wake up every morning, get those wheels turn. Strategies from foreign wars, how to run and big balloons, pi r squared and 2 by 4. The hours roll by. It's another day. It's just another day at Enrico Fermi High.
you'll get to work on the actual assignment, dummy, or you'll be missing me.
It's another day. It's just another day at Enrico Fermi High. Simply coffee. I know, Candy. That Mr. Taylor is such an ogre. I know. I was so nervous last night. I chewed my nails raw. Wanna see? No.
Hey, talking off. Saw Chuck last night at the burger in basket with Sheila.
Who's Sheila?
You know Sheila. Too much makeup? Not.